After several very wet and very late springs, spring 21 started out fairly normal. We did have to deal with some cooler temperatures and a couple of freaky snowstorms late, but otherwise planting conditions were very good, at least until Mother's Day weekend. Since then, we've had many areas that have had in excess of 3 inches of rain, and we continue to get several frosty mornings. So what's all this rain and cold weather going to do to germination? Are diseases like Pythium going to reduce stands? Is this going to lead to replanting? If so, am I going to have to spot in, or am I going to have to just start all over? Can I use technology maybe to figure out ways to answer these questions so when it is dry enough to plant, I've got everything I need to know ahead of time? Here at IAS, we're working with some cutting-edge technology using drones and machine learning to accurately scout for things like plant stands and many other pests that may occur during the growing season. In the case of plant stands, rather than trying to judge the quality of your stand by quickly driving across the field with a pickup truck or a four-wheeler, we use drones. We call this HD scouting. By using drones and some high-powered computer science called machine learning, our agronomists are able to accurately give you plant stands every half acre. From this data, we can help you make intelligent decisions based on real and actionable data, not emotional knee-jerk reactions which sometimes drive some poor decisions on replants. Very simply, we teach the AI software to count corn plants by giving it thousands of images of corn plants so that it recognizes corn no matter what. Once that's done, the software takes over and we feed it an image, and within each image it can count plants, corn plants, much quicker and much more accurately than a human. Once the software is trained, it can count corn plants that are very small. In this image, the corn is just unfurling out of the ground, but yet it knows it's corn and it's able to count it. Technology is truly amazing. Once we've completed the HD scouting, this is when all the fun begins. We can use all this information to do things like determine the quality of stand. Was it affected by the hybrid? Was it affected by soil type? Was it affected by planting date? We can use this information to accurately determine where to replant and exactly how many acres. We can use this information in the future to determine side dress rate. HD scouting is not just for plant emergence. It's a season-long scouting program. We scout every 14 days throughout the growing season, looking for all sorts of pests, weeds, insects, nutrients, and diseases. We still have some acres available for this spring. Give us a call or email me at d.scheider@integratedagnet and we can get you set up. Thanks a lot.